Exercise 10.1. Prove that the first question is sin x plus sin 2x divided by cos x plus cos 2x equals to tan 3x by 2. So LHS equals to, here for the numerator apply one formula, that is sin c plus sin d, and for denominator cos c plus cos d formula. So here is a sin c plus sin d formula. Next, and here is a cos c plus cos d formula. So let's apply the both formulas at a time. So numerator will become 2 sin x plus 2x by 2. Next to cos x minus 2x by 2 divided by denominator 2 cos x plus 2x by 2 into cos x minus 2x by 2. So it is equals to 2 sin x plus 2x is 3x by 2. Next to cos x minus 2x is minus x by 2 divided by 2 cos x plus 2x is 3x by 2. Cos x minus 2x is minus x by 2. So here 2 cancel, cos minus x by 2, cos minus x by 2 cancel. So it is equals to sin 3x by 2 divided by cos 3x by 2. So it is equals to exactly tan 3x by 2. So RHS, so hence proved. Second question, sin 2a minus sin 2b divided by cos 2a plus cos 2b equals to tan a minus b. So apply the formula for numerator and here is a formula for denominator. So sin 2a minus sin 2b equals to 2 cos bracket of c plus d. So that means 2a plus 2b by 2 into sin c minus d 2a minus 2b divided by 2. Next cos 2a plus cos 2b. So that means cos c plus cos d formula. So 2 cos 2a plus 2b divided by 2 into cos 2a minus 2b divided by 2. Here 2 and cos 2a plus 2b by 2, so both are cancelled. So then it is equals to, so it is exactly equals to tan 2a minus 2b divided by 2. And here we can take the 2 common, so a minus b divided by 2 cancel. So tan a minus b, so it is equals to RHS. First bit, third problem, cos 3a minus cos 5a divided by sin 3a plus sin 5a, it is equals to tan a. So in the LHS numerator cos 3a minus cos 5a, apply this formula, minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. So minus 2 sin 3a plus 5a by 2 into sin 3a minus 5a by 2 divided by, so here is a formula for the denominator. So 2 sin 3a plus 5a by 2 into cos 3a minus 5a by 2. So here 2 cancel and sin 3a plus 5a by 2 cancel. So then minus sin minus 2a by 2 divided by cos minus 2a by 2. It is equals to, here 2 cancel, then minus sin of minus a by cos of minus a. So we know very well sin of minus theta will become minus sin theta. So then minus sin a divided by cos of minus theta equals to cos A itself. Now minus of minus plus sin A divided by cos. Fourth problem, cos 3A plus cos A divided by sin 3A plus sin A equals to cot 2A. So for the numerator, apply this formula cos C plus cos D. So 2 cos 3A plus A by 2 into cos 3A minus A by 2 divided by, for the denominator apply this one sin C plus sin D formula. So 2 sin 3A plus A by 2 into cos 3A minus A by 2. So here 2 cancel and cos 3A minus A by 2, cos 3A minus A by 2 cancel. Now it is equals to cos 4A by 2 by sin 4A by 2. Here 2 ones are 2 twos are, here also 2 ones are 2 twos are. So cos 2A by sin 2A. Cos 2A by sin 2A is cot 2A. So it is equals to RHS. Fifth problem, cos 7A plus cos 5A divided by sin 7A plus sin 5A, it is equals to cot 6A. So for the numerator, apply the formula, that is cos C plus cos D, and for the denominator sin C plus sin D. So numerator formula cos C plus cos D, that is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. So 7A minus 5A by 2 divided by, denominator formula is sin C plus sin D. So 2 sin C plus D by 2. So that is 7A plus 5A by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. So cos 7A minus 5A by 2. Now here the two terms are cancelled and here 2 also cancel. So it is equals to cos 7A plus 5A is 12A divided by 2 divided by same denominator also sin 12A by 2. So cos 12A by 2 is equals to 6A and sin 12A by 2 it is equals to sin 6A. Cos by sin it is equals to cot 6A. It is RHS. So hence proved. Sixth problem, sin 7A plus sin 17A divided by cos 7A plus cos 17A equals to tan 12A. So for the LHS, apply this formula sin C plus sin D. So then sin 2 sin C plus D by 2. So 7A plus 17A divided by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. So cos 7A minus 17A divided by 2 divided by. So for the denominator, apply this one cos C plus cos D. So it is equals to 2 cos C plus D. So that is 7A plus 17A divided by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 minus 17A divided by 2. Here the both denominators cancel and here 2 cancel. It is equals to sin 7A plus 17A is 24A by 2 divided by cos 24A by 2. So sin 24 by A it is equals to 12A and here also same 12A. Sin by cos formula tan, so tan 12A. So it is equals to RHS. So hence proved. Seventh problem, sin 7A plus sin 3A divided by cos 7A plus cos 3A equals to tan 5A. So for the numerator, apply sin C plus sin D formula. So 2 sin C plus D. So 7A plus 3A divided by 2 into cos c minus d. So cos 7a minus 3a divided by 2 divided by, for the denominator apply cos c plus cos d formula. So 2 cos c plus d, so 7a plus 3a divided by 2 into cos c minus d, 7a minus 3a divided by 2. Here the both denominators will get cancelled and 2 also. Next sin 7a plus 3a 10a by 2 divided by cos 10a by 2. So sin 10a by 2 is 5a and cos 10a by 2 is cos 5a. So sin by cos, it is equals to tan 5a. So it is equals to RHS. Second bit, first problem, prove that cos 70 degrees plus cos 50 degrees minus cos 10 degrees equals to 0. So let's take the LHS first. So for the first two terms, apply the cos c plus cos d formula. So cos c plus cos d formula, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So 70 minus 50 by 2 minus cos 10 degrees. So here 2 cancel, that is wrong. We cannot cancel the 2. So 2 cos 70 plus 50 is 120 by 2 into cos 70 minus 50 is 20 by 2 minus cos 10 degrees. So 2 into cos, here 2 ones are 2 60s are 2 ones are 2 10s are. So cos 60 degrees into cos 10 degrees minus cos 10 degrees. So 2 into cos 60 is 1 by 2 into cos 10 minus cos 10. Here 2 cancel. So it is equals to cos 10 degrees minus cos 10 degrees. Then both are cancelled. So it is 0. So RHS. So hence proved. Second bit, second problem, sin 50 minus sin 70 plus sin 10 equals to 0. So let's take the LHS. So in the LHS, here sin 50 minus sin 70, so that means sin c minus sin d formula. So 2 cos c plus d by 2, 50 plus 70 by 2 into sin c minus d by 2, 50 minus 70 by 2 plus sin 10 degrees. So it is equals to 2 cos 50 plus 70 is 120 by 2. So sin 50 minus 70 is minus 20 by 2 plus sin 10 degrees. 2 ones are 2 60s are 2 ones are 2 10s are. So 2 into cos 60 degrees into sin minus 10 degrees plus sin 10 degrees. So 2 into cos 60 is 1 by 2 and sin minus theta. So sin minus theta will become minus sin theta. So then here minus sin 10 degrees plus sin 10 degrees. Here 2 cancel. So minus sin 10 plus sin 10. Both are cancelled. So it is equals to 0. So RHS. So hence proved. Third problem, cos 20 minus cos 40 degrees minus cos 80 degrees equals to 0. So in the LHS, for the first two terms, that means cos c minus cos d. So cos c minus cos d formula, 2 sin c plus d by 2 into minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. So minus 2 sin 20 plus 40 by 2 into sin c minus d, 20 minus 40 by 2 minus cos 80 degrees. It is equals to minus 2 sin 20 plus 40 is 60 by 2 into sin 20 minus 40 minus 20 by 2. So minus cos 80 degrees. So minus 2 sin 60 by 2 is 30 degrees into sin minus 20 by 2 is minus 10 minus cos 80 degrees. So minus 2 into sine 30 is 1 by 2, and sine minus theta is minus sine theta. So minus sine 10 degrees minus cos 80 degrees. Here 2 cancel, and here minus into minus plus sine 10 minus here cos 80 I am writing as a 90 minus 10. So then it is equals to sine 10 minus cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. So sine 10. Both are cancelled. It is equals to 0. Then RHS hence proved. Fourth problem, cos 20 plus cos 100 degrees plus cos 140 degrees equals to 0. So first LHS, for the first two terms apply cos C plus cos D formula. So it is equals to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. So here 2 into cos 20 plus 100 by 2 into cos 20 minus 100 by 2 plus cos 140 degrees. Now it is equals to 2 into cos 20 plus 100 120 by 2 is 60 degrees into cos 20 minus 100 is minus 80 by 2 minus 40 degrees plus cos 140 degrees. So 2 into cos 60 is 1 by 2, and cos minus theta is cos theta. So then cos 40 plus cos 140 degrees. So 140 can write as a 180 minus 40 degrees. Here 2 cancel. 1 into cos 40 is cos 40, and cos 180 minus theta. So cos 180 minus theta means in the all silver tea cups 180 minus theta is belongs to second quadrant, that means silver. Silver means sine and cosec for the plus and for remaining minus. So then cos 180 minus 40 will become minus cos 40 degrees. So plus cos 40 minus cos 40 cancel, it is equal 0. So RHS, so hence proved. Third bit first problem, sin 40 plus sin 20 divided by cos 40 plus cos 20 equals to 1 by root 3. So for the LHS, apply the sin C plus sin D formula. So then 2 sin C plus D by 2. So 40 plus 20 by 2 into cos C minus D by 2, 40 minus 20 by 2 divided by, for the denominator, cos C plus cos D formula. So 2 cos C plus D by 2, 40 plus 20 by 2 into cos C minus D by 2, 40 minus 20 by 2. Here cos 40 minus 20 by 2, cos 40 minus 20 by 2 cancel. Next here 2 cancel. So then it is equals to sin 40 plus 20. Here 40 plus 20 is 60 by 2, 30 degrees. Next same cos 30 degrees. Sin 30 by cos 30 is tan 30. Tan 30 equals to 1 by root 3. So it is equals to RHS. So hence proved. Third bit second problem, sin 85 minus sin 35 by cos 35 minus cos 85 equals to 1 by root 3. So first I am going to take the LHS. For the LHS, numerator sin C minus sin D formula. So sin C minus sin D formula is what? 2 cos C plus D by 2. So 2 cos 85 plus 35 by 2 into sin C minus D by 2, 85 minus 35 by 2 divided by cos 35 minus cos 85 means cos C minus cos D formula equals to minus 2 sin C plus D. So 35 plus 85 by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. So 35 minus 85 by 2. Now here 2 cancel. Next to cos 85 plus 35 120 by 2, 120 by 2 is 60 into sine 85 minus 35 50, 50 by 2 25 degrees. Here minus sine 60 degrees into sine 35 minus 85 is minus 25 degrees. So it is equals to cos 60 into sine 25 divided by minus sine 60 into, here sine minus theta will become minus sine theta, so minus sine 25 degrees. So it is equals to cos 60 by sine 60 degrees. Why? Because here sine 25 cancel and minus into minus is plus. So it is equals to cot 60 degrees. Cot 60 degrees answer is 1 by root 3. So RHS hence proved. Third bit A problem, cos 37 plus sin 37 divided by cos 37 minus sin 37 equals to cot 8 degrees. See here the trigonometry ratios are different, so there is no formula for this type of trigonometry ratios. So that is why I am going to change the trigonometry ratios here. Plus sin 37 I am writing as a 90 minus 43. Sorry, here not 43, 53 divided by cos 37 minus sin, here also same, 90 minus 53. So it is equals to cos 37 plus sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, so cos 53 divided by cos 37 minus sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, so cos 53 degrees. So now apply the numerator cos C plus cos D formula. So cos C plus cos D formula 2 cos C plus D by 2, so 37 plus 53 by 2 into cos 37 minus 53 by 2 divided by cos C minus cos D formula minus 2 sin C plus D, that means 37 plus 53 by 2 into sin 37 minus 53 by 2. So here 2 cancel. So it is equals to cos 37 plus 53 90 by 2. So 90 by 2 means 45 degrees into cos 37 minus 53 cos 16 minus 16 means minus 16 by 2 is minus 8 divided by minus sin 37 plus 53 by 2 is sin 45 degrees into sin 37 minus 53 by 2 is sin minus 8 degrees. So now it is equals to cos 45 is 1 by root 2 into cos minus theta is cos theta itself, so cos 8 by minus 1 sin 45 it is 1 by root 2. Next sin minus theta is minus sin theta. So then it is equals to 1 by root 2 cancel, then cos 8 by here minus into minus plus sin 8. Cos 8 by sin 8 is cot 8 degrees. So it is equals to RHS. So hence proved. B question, cos 27 plus sin 27 divided by cos 27 minus sin 27 equals to cot 18 degrees. So actually we need a same trigonometry ratios at these two places. So that is why LHS equals to cos 27 plus sin 27 I am writing as a 90 minus 63 degrees divided by cos 27 minus 63 degrees. So it is equals to cos 27. So sin 90 minus theta formula is cos theta, so cos 63, and cos 27 minus sin 90 minus 63, it is also cos 63 degrees. So now here cos c plus cos d formula for numerator and cos c minus cos d formula for denominator. So cos c plus cos d formula 2 cos c plus d by 2. So 27 plus 63 by 2 into cos 27 minus 63 by 2 divided by cos c minus cos d formula minus 2 sin c plus d by 2. 27 plus 63 by 2 into sin c minus d by 2, 27 minus 63 by 2. So it is equals to here 27 plus 63 equals to 90. 90 by 2 is 45. So cos 45 degrees, and here 2 cancel. Next to 27 minus 63 equals to minus 36, and minus 36 by 2 is minus 18. So cos minus 18 divided by, so denominator also same, sin 45 into sin minus 18 degrees, and but here minus symbol. So next cos 40 equals to 1 by root 2, and cos minus theta will become cos theta itself. So cos 18 minus sin 45 equals to 1 by root 2 into sin minus theta equals to minus sin theta. So now it is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 cancel. Cos 18 degrees divided by, here minus into minus plus sin 18. So it is equals to cot 18 degrees. So RHS hence proved. Fourth bit, first problem, cos a plus cos 120 plus a plus cos 120 minus a equals to 0. So in the LHS, select the last two terms. For this, apply this formula cos c plus cos d. So cos a plus 2 cos c plus d by 2. So 120 plus a plus 120 minus a c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So cos 120 plus a, here minus bracket of 120 minus a by 2. So it is equals to cos a plus a minus a cancel, 2 into cos 120 plus 120, 240 by 2, it is 120 degrees into cos 120 plus a. Now remove the bracket here, minus 120 plus a by 2, plus 120 minus 120 cancel. So cos a plus 2 into cos 120 into cos a plus a will become 2a. 2a by 2 is what? Just a. So it is equals to cos a plus 2 into cos 120 can write as a 90 plus 30 degrees. Cos a. So 90 plus 30 means, see here, all silver tea cups. So 90 plus 30 means it will go to second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sine cosec, only for sine cosec, plus for remaining minus, and at the same time the trigonometric ratio will be changed because here is a 90 degrees. So then minus sine 30 degrees into cos a. So now cos a plus 2 into minus 1 by 2, because sin 30 degrees is 1 by 2, into cos a. 2 cancel, cos a here minus, so minus cos a, both are cancel, 0 RHS. So hence proved. Fourth bit second problem, sin a plus sin 240 plus a minus sin 240 minus a equals to 0. So in the LHS, write the first term as it is, sin a. For the remaining two terms, apply this formula, sin c minus sin d. So it is equals to 2 cos c plus d by 2. So that is 240 plus a plus 240 minus a by 2. Next to sin c minus d by 2. So sin 240 plus a minus, here take the bracket, 240 minus a by 2. So it is equals to sin a plus 2 cos, here plus a minus a cancel, 240 plus 240, 480 by 2, 480 by 2 is 240 into sin 240 plus a. Now remove the bracket, minus 240 plus a divided by 2. So plus 240 minus 240 cancel. So it is equals to sin a plus 2 cos 240 into, here a plus a is 2a, 2a by 2 is a itself. So sin a. So it is equals to sin a plus 2 into cos 240, can write as a 270 minus 30 degrees into sin a. So all silver teacups, 270 minus theta. 270 minus theta means it will go to third quadrant. In the third quadrant, the plus symbol for tan and cot, for remaining minus symbol, and at the same time we need to change the trigonometry ratio because here it is a 270 degrees. So plus 2 into, here minus sin 30 degrees into sin a. So it is equals to sin a plus 2 into minus sin 30 is minus 1 by 2 into sin a, here 2 cancel, sin a, here minus sin a. So sin a minus sin a equals 0. So it is equals to RHS, so hence prove. Fifth question, sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2 of a plus b equals to 4 cos a into cos b into sin a plus b. So first select the LHS. So for the first two terms, apply the sin c plus sin d formula. So that is 2 sin c plus d by 2. So 2a plus 2b by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So cos 2a minus 2b by 2 plus sin 2 bracket of a plus b. Now it is equals to 2 sin, here 2a plus 2b means we can take the 2 common. So a plus b by 2 into cos, here also same, take the 2 common, 2 bracket of a minus b by 2 plus sin 2 bracket of a plus b. So 2 into sin, here 2 cancel, sin a minus b into, here also 2 cancel, sorry, here a plus b, a minus b plus sin 2a plus b. So now we have one formula. What is that? Sin 2a formula. Sin 2a equals to 2 sin a cos a. So apply the formula, 2 sin a plus b into cos a minus b plus, here sin 2a formula is 2 sin a, that means 2 sin a plus b into cos a. So cos a plus b. So now it is equals to, here we have a 2 terms, here is a 1, here is a second term. From this we can take the 2 sin a plus b common. So 2 sin a plus b. Now take the bracket, the remaining term is cos a minus b plus cos a plus b, cos a minus b plus cos a plus b. So for this we can apply one formula, that is cos C plus cos D. Cos C plus cos D equals to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. So then it is equals to 2 sin A plus B. Now 2 cos C plus D, that means this is C and this is a D. So A minus B plus A plus B by 2 into cos C minus D. So cos A minus B minus bracket of A plus B divided by 2. So it is equals to 2 sin A plus B. So minus B plus B cancel. So A plus A is 2A by 2. So it is equals to just A. Next here cos A minus B. Now remove the bracket, minus A minus B by 2. So 2 sin A plus B into 2 cos A into here plus A minus A cancel, minus 2B is minus B minus 2B by 2 is minus B. So now 2 sin A plus B into 2 cos A, and here cos minus theta formula cos theta. Now it is equals to here 2 into 2 4 cos A cos B sin A plus B. So it is equals to RHS. So hence proved. Sixth problem, first one, sin A plus sin 3A plus sin 5A plus sin 7A by cos A plus cos 3A plus cos 5A plus cos 7A equals to tan 4A. So here to get the tan 4A, here see angle is a 4A. So A plus 7A is 8A and 8A by 2 is 4A. And 3 plus 5A is a 8A, 8A by 2 is a 4A. So that is why write first term and last term at one place and the remaining two terms last place. So that is why here LHS is equals to small changes in the numerator. So sin A plus sin 7A plus sin 3A plus sin 5A divided by denominator also same, cos A plus cos 7A, next to cos 3A plus cos 5A. So it is equals to sin A plus sin 7A, that means sin C plus sin D formula. 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. So 2 sin C plus, so that means A plus 7A by 2 into cos C minus D. So A minus 7A by 2. Next to plus, here same formula, sin C plus sin D. So 2 sin 3A plus 5A by 2 into cos 3A minus 5A by 2 divided by, next here cos C plus cos D formula, 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. So 2 cos A plus 7A by 2 into cos C minus D. So A minus 7A by 2 plus again same formula. So 2 cos 5A. So here 3A plus 5A by 2 into cos 3A minus 5A by 2. So it is equals to 2 sin here a plus 7a 8a, 8a by 2 is 4a, and here a minus 7a is minus 6a by 2, so minus 3a, plus here also 3a plus 5a 8a by 2, it is equals to 2 sin 4a, and here 3a minus 5a is equals to minus 2a, so it is cos minus a divided by same 2 into cos 4a and cos minus 3a plus 2 into cos 3a plus 5a 8a by 2, so is 4a. Next cos 3a minus 5a is minus 2a, minus 2a by 2 is minus a. So now in the numerator we can take 2 sin 4a common, so then cos minus 3a plus cos minus a divided by, here take the 2 cos 4a common, so then cos minus 3a plus cos minus a. So then observe the numerator and denominator, here 2 cancel, and this cos minus 3a plus cos minus a get cancelled, so then it is equals to sin 4a by cos 4a, so sin by cos is tan, so tan 4a, so it is equals to RHS, so hence proved. Second problem, cos 7a plus cos 5a plus cos 3a plus cos a by sin 7a plus sin 5a plus sin 3a plus sin a, it is equals to cot 4a. So here to get the 4a, 7a plus a is 8a, 8a by 2 is 4a. Next to 5a plus 3a 8a, 8a by 2 is a 4a. So that is why cos 7a beside write cos a, and cos 5a cos 3a write at one place. So then LHS is equals to cos 7a, and it's beside write cos a, because it is in the addition, so we can change the position of the terms without changing the signs. So cos 5a plus cos 3a divided by, denominator also same, sin 7a, it's beside write sin a. Next to sin 5a plus sin 3a, so it is equals to here cos c plus cos d formula. So here is a cos c plus cos d formula, so 2 cos c plus d by 2, so 7a plus a by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, 7a minus a by 2 plus, here also same formula, so 2 cos 5a plus 3a by 2 into cos 5a minus 3a by 2 divided by, so here sin c plus sin d formula equals to 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, so 2 sin c plus, so that means 7a plus a by 2 into cos 7a minus a by 2 plus, here also same formula, so 2 sin 5a plus 3a by 2 into cos 5a minus 3a by 2, so it is equals to 2 cos, here 7a plus a by 2 simplification is 4a into cos 7a minus a by 2 simplification is 3a plus 2 cos Here 5a plus 3a by 2 is 4a, and here 5a minus 3a by 2 is cos a, divided by here 2 sin 4a into cos 3a plus 2 sin 4a into cos a. So in the numerator we can take 2 cos 4a common. So then in the bracket cos 3a plus cos a divided by here 2 sin 4a is a common. So cos 3a plus cos a. Now here 2 cancel and cos 3a plus cos a cancel. So cos 4a by sin 4a, it is equals to cot 4a. So it is equals to RHS. So hence proved. Next third problem, cos 7 alpha plus cos 3 alpha minus cos 5 alpha minus cos alpha divided by sin 7 alpha minus sin 3 alpha minus sin 5 alpha plus sin alpha, it is equals to cot 2 alpha. So to get the cot 2 alpha, here 7 alpha plus 3 alpha is 10 alpha, and 7 alpha minus 3 alpha is 4 alpha. So by 2. So here 5 alpha, here 2 alpha. So next one, the terms are in the correct position, but here we need to take the minus common. So in the LHS, cos 7 alpha plus cos 3 alpha, so here take the minus common, cos 5 alpha plus cos alpha divided by sin 7 alpha minus sin 3 alpha, and take the minus common here, sin 5 alpha, then this plus will become minus, so sin alpha. So it is equals to here cos C plus cos D formula. It is equals to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. So 2 into cos 7 alpha plus 3 alpha by 2, 3 alpha by 2 minus here again same formula. So 2 cos 5 alpha plus alpha by 2 into cos 5 alpha minus alpha by 2, here divided by, so here sin C minus sin D formula. It is equals to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. So 2 cos 7 alpha plus 3 alpha by 2 into sin 7 alpha minus 3 alpha by 2 minus once again same formula. So 2 cos 5 alpha plus alpha by 2 into sin 5 alpha minus alpha by 2. So it is equals to 2 cos here 7 alpha plus 3 alpha 10 by 2 is 5. So cos 5 alpha into cos 7 alpha minus 3 alpha is 4 alpha, 4 alpha by 2 is 2 alpha. So minus 2 cos 5 alpha plus alpha 6 alpha, 6 alpha by 2 is 3 alpha, and here 5 alpha minus alpha 4 alpha. So it is equals to by 2 means 2 alpha. So divided by 2 into 7 plus 3 10 by 2 5. So cos 5 alpha, here 7 alpha minus 3 alpha by 2, so is 4 alpha. So it is equals to cos 2 alpha minus 2 into cos 3 alpha, and 5 alpha minus alpha 4 alpha. So it is equals to sin 2 alpha. So in the numerator we can take 2 cos 2 alpha common. So then cos 5 alpha minus cos 3 alpha divided by, in the denominator, sorry, here it is a sin 2 alpha. So here we can take the 2 sin 2 alpha common. So then cos 5 alpha minus cos 3 alpha. Now here both are cancel and 2 also cancel. So cos 2 alpha by sin 2 alpha, it is equals to cot 2 alpha. So then RHS hence proved. Sixth bit fourth problem, cos a minus cos 3a minus cos 5a plus cos 7a divided by sin a minus sin 3a plus sin 5a minus sin 7a equals to tan 2a. So in the LHS, I am going to interchange the terms. To get the tan a value, interchange these two. Next in the denominator, so interchange the two terms here. Then you required answer. So cos a, so next write cos 5a, next minus cos 3a plus cos 7a divided by sin a, next write sin 5a minus sin 3a minus sin 7a. So it is equals to cos a minus cos 5a. From these two take the minus common, so minus cos 3a minus cos 7a divided by sin a plus sin 5a, and from these two take the minus common, so minus of sin 3a plus sin 7a. So for this you apply the one formula, that is cos c minus cos d. It is equals to minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. So here minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 a plus 5a by 2 into sin c minus d by 2 a minus 5a by 2. And here also same formula, so minus 2 sin c plus d by 2, so c value 3a plus 7a by 2 into sin 3a minus 7a by 2. So divided by, for the denominator, sin a plus sin 5a, that means sin c plus sin d formula. It is equals to 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Next to minus, here also same formula, sin c plus sin d, that is 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So minus 2 sin a plus 5a by 2, it is equals to 3a. Next to sin a minus 5a minus 2a, so minus 4a by 2, that is minus 2a. Minus of minus plus, so divided by 2 sin a plus 5a 6a by 2, that is 3a into cos a minus 5a minus 4a by 2, that is minus 2a, minus 2 into, next here sin of minus theta is equals to minus sin theta, and here also one minus symbol, then overall it is a plus, so 2 sin 3a into sin 2a, and here sin of minus theta is minus sin theta, but here plus, so then minus 2 sin 5a into sin 2a divided by, so cos of minus theta is cos theta itself, so 2 sin 3a into cos 2a, and here also same, so minus 2 sin 5a into cos 2a. So from the numerator we can take the 2 sin 2a common, so bracket sin 3a minus sin 5a. So divided by, from the denominator take 2 cos 2a common, so then sin 3a minus sin 5a. So now numerator denominator both are cancelled, so then it is equals to, here 2 cancel, so sin 2a divided by cos 2a, so sin by cos it is equals to tan 2a, so it is equals to RHS, so hence true.